Hello diecasters. Welcome to Little Cars 64 channel. Today, let's see Tomica XX by Tomica. The base and tires are plastic. The wheels roll smoothly. There is no suspension on the wheels. Now, let's see it on turntable. The details are okay. No livery or decals at the side. Tail lights are plastic and headlights are painted. Very clean and retro style. As the real car was released in 1978, Tomica can describe it nicely. Now, let's take a closer look. This diecast has opening doors feature. You can see the interior in plain orange color. This is typical for Tomica premium lines. It also has a pop-up headlights feature. They are only painted with silver color. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.